Okay, children, so time up today. We end the class and we meet tomorrow. Till then, have a wonderful, wonderful day ahead. All of you can log out now. That's what life has become for us these days from last few months. Constant meetings, online classes, webinars strain our eyes a lot. Our eyes are tired and fatigued, and we hardly feel any relaxation in the eyes. This also leads to a lot of headaches, and of course sitting throughout the day on computer gives a lot of pain in the neck and cervical area. So friends, today we are going to concentrate on how to relax our eyes with this constant glaring on computers or on tabs or on mobile for our online classes. I have received a lot of requests from teachers, from parents, from children. So I thought today I will do a session where we can all learn how to relax our eyes. So I'll tell you a few techniques which sitting during the class you can practice it for your better eye health. The first thing that I'm going to tell you, the first tip is called blinking. You know, when we sit in front of the computer all the time, we hardly blink. Our eyes are so much focused that the number of blinks that I should have, it significantly reduces and also brings dryness to the eyes. So blinking is very, very important, and we will do it consciously. So there are two ways you can do blinking. So suppose you are there having one class, and after that you are having a break for another class. So what you do in the middle is just close your eyes for 30 seconds. This is one kind of blinking, and then open the eyes. And second kind of blinking is where you go on constantly blinking, maybe 4 seconds at each interval. So close, open, close, open, close, open. Now why blinking? Because this helps to lubricate our eyes and brings a much needed rest from the fatigue and strain in the eyes. Second technique that we are going to do is called palming. So in palming, what we do is we put our palms on our eyes without pressing the eyes, and it brings much needed rest to the eyes. So how do we do it? It's very, very simple. So you take both the palms and rub them together. आपने आँखों को रब किया, थोड़ी सी warmth generate हो गई, and then you make a cup of your palms, not straight, okay? Make a cup, a hollow in between, and on your closed eyes, you put these palms. And breathe in and out deeply. So this is another technique of relaxing our eyes. Now a very good technique to relax the eye muscles is doing eyeball exercises, which are very interesting, and we will do together along with blinking and palming today. So there are number of exercises, and they are very, very simple. So all you need to do is, you don't need a very special place. You can do it any time of the day, a number of times of day, and wherever you are sitting, you can do it. So let's see what eye exercises we can do. So sit up straight, and what we have to do is basically you have to move your eyeballs up and down, or maybe side to side according to the instructions. Now when your eyeballs moves, it brings a lot of relaxation to your eye muscles. So we will do our first exercise, which is moving our eyeballs with eyes wide open, up and down. Now those who wear spectacles, please take out your spectacles and do this exercise. So are we ready? The first exercise is moving eyes up and down. So this we can do say 10 times or 20 times. 10 times is sufficient, but if you have more time, you can do number of times. So how we do it is, see, you keep your eyes open and then you look up, down, and continue. Now, a very common mistake people make here is instead of making eyeballs move, they move their neck. Then it becomes a neck exercise, it doesn't remain eye exercise. So we have to keep our head, our neck still. It's only the eyeballs which move sideways, up or down, or whichever direction you want to move. So we will do it 10 times. Please sit on a chair or wherever you are sitting with back straight, and let us start our eye exercise. First we will do as we were doing, up and down movement of the eyeballs. Start. Look up, look down, look up, look down, up, 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 down. Now slowly close your eyes. Once you close your eyes, we will do palming now. So rub your palms together, relax your neck, keep your eyes closed, make a hollow and put your palms on your eyes and breathe in and out deeply. Slowly bring your hands down. Keep your eyes closed, let them relax. Now when you open your eyes, you open with a number of blinks. So now we move on to our next eye exercise. So we will be moving left and right our eyeballs. Remember not to move the neck. It's only the eyeballs that will move. Okay. For those who cannot control their neck movements, you can put one hand here, the thumb, and another thumb here, and then do it like this. Look left, right, 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 left, right. Close your eyes gently. Rub your palms together and we do palming. Bring your hands down and now open your eyes with a number of blinks. So see, we are doing all the relaxation techniques together. We are doing blinking, we are doing palming, and we are doing eye exercises. These are really going to help you out. Now we go to the third exercise, which is diagonal movement of the eyeballs. Looks complicated? No, it is not. So what we do here, with one eye we will look on top, with the other eye we will look in the opposite direction down. So left up, right down, one exercise, and right up, left down. If you cannot do it, you can put your thumb like this and do it like this. Left up, right down, left up, right down. Or you can do it without your thumb, whichever way you want. But remember, keep your neck still, don't move it like this, and keep your eyes wide open. So let's do the exercises. Are you ready? Take a deep breath and relax. So we will start with right up and left down first. Right up, left down, 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 right up, left down. Gently close your eyes and do your palming. Make a hollow, keep in front of your eyes and relax. Breathe in and out deeply. Bring your hands down. Open your eyes with a number of blinks. Now we did right down and left down, right up and left down. This time we will do the opposite, left up and right down. Ready? Okay, let's start. Left up, right down, 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 left up, right down. Close your eyes and do your palming. Make a hollow. Put it on your eyes. Please do not rub your eyes or press your eyes. Just keep it here and inhale and exhale deeply. Breathing along with palming brings a lot of relaxation to the eyes. Okay. Now open your eyes with a number of blinks. So we did up and down movements. We did side to side. We did diagonal movement of the eyeballs. Good amount of eye exercises. Now we do clockwise direction of the eyeballs and the anti-clockwise, a complete circular movement of the eyeballs. Remember, please do not move your head. Then it becomes a neck exercise. We are doing eye relaxing exercises. So now we will go for clockwise direction. So it moves like this, this way, round. घड़ी की सुइयों की तरह clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction. So 12, 3, 6, 9 is clockwise and 12, 9, 6, 3 is anti-clockwise. So let us do clockwise direction right now. So please do along with me. Are we ready? Keep your eyes wide open, neck straight, head straight, spine erect. Start clockwise. गोल गोल आंखों को घुमाना है. 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9. Go on 10 times. You can rotate your eyes in clockwise direction. Now close your eyes. Do your palming and put on your eyes. Bring your hands down, open your eyes with a number of blinks. Already you must be feeling very relaxed in your eyes. Please remember to do it a number of times a day, all of you. Now we will move anti-clockwise, this way. Eyes wide open. Start. 12, 9, 6 and 3. 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 Go on rotating anti-clockwise your eyeballs. 10 times minimum so that your eye muscles can relax. The dryness in the eyes reduce. Eyes get lubricated. Close your eyes. Palming. Rub your palms together. Put them on your eyes and breathe in and out deeply. Bring your hands down and relax your neck. So these are a few relaxing exercise, friends, that we have just done. I will give you a few more tips. A very good technique of relaxing the eyes is, in medical stores, you find this eye cup. In any medical store, you will find this eye cup. I am showing you. This is how the packet looks like. So buy these two eye cups, okay? And you can do a number of things. You can put cold water in this, take it and hold it from here and put it like this, with your eyes open, and then blink. Please do it in front of wash basin, otherwise the water will pour down on your dress, and then relax your eyes. Your eyes will beautifully freshen up after all this work on computer and mobiles that you are doing. Another technique is, you get something known as Triphala powder in the market, ready-made. You will get it in Ayurvedic shop. Nowadays, most of the Ayurvedic shop have this Triphala powder. Now, what you have to do is, you take out a teaspoon of Triphala powder, put it in a glass and fill the glass with water. Keep it overnight. You can keep it in the refrigerator also if you want. In the morning you take out that water, sieve it. एक पतले कपड़े से या छन्नी से उसको छान लीजिए, and then put it in this eye cup. Take it in the wash basin. I have one eye cup right now, and you can put both the eye cups and go on blinking and do eye exercises with this water inside the eye cup. Believe me, all of you, there is no other wonderful medicine than Triphala powder water to keep your eyes fresh and keep your eyesight perfect. You can also use sauf ka pani, fennel seed. So instead of Triphala, if you don't get the Triphala powder, आप रात में सौंफ को भिगोइए 1 गिलास पानी में, सवेरे उसको छानिए, आई कप में डालिए और उससे आप अपनी आंखों को धोइए और देखिए आपकी आईज कितनी रिलैक्स्ड है. बहुत इजी टेक्निक्स हैं. अगर आप सीरियसली अपनी आंखों को हेल्दी रखना चाहते हैं तो ये इनमें टाइम नहीं लगता है. मैं इसको एवरीडे करती हूँ और मेरा सारा आई स्ट्रेन चला जाता है और मैं अपने सारे बच्चों को, स्टूडेंट्स को, टीचर्स को, सबको बताती हूँ. ओनली वे टू रिलैक्स योर आईज is this.